Hey, what's up everybody? Brett from Brent Speed. Thank you so much for watching Brent Speed TV. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. But here's what's getting ready to happen. It's a 2017 GT. This car has been here before. I did a video on this car back in 2019. It's Whipple supercharged. We did some more upgrades. We're gonna go down and take a closer look, and we're gonna make it dyno pull. So stick around, let's check it out. All right, before we look at the dyno pull, which we've already made, I already know what it makes, over 700, manual transmission car running 93 octane fuel, about 13 pounds of boost. Doug, let's come down and see what we have. So it's the older version of Whipple, it's the Gen 3. So you've been watching my videos recently, you'll realize that everything right now is the Gen 5. But this is the Gen 3 with the 3.625 pulley. It's a stage 2 kit, so you get the big 132 throttle body, and you get the upgraded injectors. We also installed a Kenny Bell boost pump. This car does have long tube headers, and prior I already had all these cooling mods. So we have the big Adler radiator, which is something you're going to want to do, cooler thermostat, rear cylinder head cooling kit, and we installed the Ford Performance short block. Why? Well, now it's something you can grow into. So although we're not running a bunch of boost right now, we're not running a really big fuel system, the short block's in the car, and now down the road, after you get used to this, you can get a little bit crazy. We also installed the Mcleod RXT clutch. Now I know I spit out a bunch of different parts on this car, but I will leave links in the description so you can read a lot more about it. So come on right now, let's check out this dyno pull. You know, sometimes when I talk about boost on an S550 and I mention 13 or maybe even 14 pounds, sometimes people are like, whoa, that's way too much for 93 octane. Understand this is the low compression short block, 9.5 to 1. We're not talking high compression, so you can get away with that. Doug, come over here and take a look. It's on our DynoJet SAE, 710 roll horsepower, run up to 7,500 RPM. Torque came in awesome at 563 and right around 4,300 RPM. So right now, as this car sits, this is gonna be a killer street car. And that's exactly what it is. Doug, come over and take a look. Killer street car you can totally grow into. You got a good clutch in it. You've got a good short block. So now it's time for really big injectors. If it's my car, big fuel system, something like E85 possibly, or maybe some race fuel and a lot of boost. So there it is right there. It's a 17 GT, pretty sweet ride, making good power. Totally something you can grow into, and that's what a lot of people want. How do you get something like this built? You simply just email quote@brentspeed.com, say, hey, what's it cost to get installed? Check out our website, brentspeed.com. All these parts are on it, and make it simple for you. Links in the description. Just click on the description. You can click on the link, see all these parts right here. And don't forget, that's the older Whipple supercharger. So when you click on the Whipple, you're going to see the new Gen 5. Thanks so much for watching.